Happy New Year 2026. This will be one of the best years you have ever lived up till now. So make it happen. Most people don't fail at their goals because they lack ability. They fail because they never build momentum. But what happens when one small decision creates a chain reaction that changes everything? Stay tuned to the end, because it might be the push your new year has been waiting for. Welcome to Inspirational Stories and Encouragement Channel, a channel dedicated to sharing inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Stories that will uplift your spirit, spark your passion for growth, and empower you to thrive in both your personal and professional life. Please sit back, relax, enjoy the story, and see what you can learn from it. And now, today's story. Title: How to Build the Momentum That Make Your Year Productive. On the second day of the new year, Ethan Moore sat in his kitchen staring at a blank notebook. Not a vision board, not a long list of resolutions, just one page with a single question written at the top. What can I do today that makes tomorrow easier? Ethan had tried setting goals before and failed. This year, he decided to stop chasing motivation and start building momentum. His goal was clear: double his income in 90 days by starting an online consulting service based on skills he already had. No shortcuts, no waiting, just consistent forward motion. Here's what changed everything. First, he started small, but immediately. Instead of planning for weeks, Ethan took action within 24 hours. He reached out to 3 people who might need his help. The results were small, but the movement was real. Momentum doesn't start big, it starts now. Second, he designed his days to win early. Every morning began with one task he could not fail. Sometimes it was sending one email. Sometimes it was refining one offer. That early win created energy, and energy created speed. Third, he tracked progress, not perfection. Ethan stopped asking, "Did I do everything?" and started asking, "Did I move forward?" Seeing progress daily, even small, kept him engaged when motivation faded. Just a quick break. Please, if you are enjoying the story and gaining something from it, kindly support our channel by subscribing and turning on the notification for more inspiring stories. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you and welcome back. Fourth, he removed friction. He simplified his routines, reduced distractions, and prepared the night before. Less decision-making meant more execution. Momentum loves simplicity. Within 21 days, something shifted. Opportunities started responding to his movement. Conversations became clients. Clients became referrals. By day 60, Ethan had not only doubled his income, he had rebuilt his confidence. But the biggest change wasn't financial. It was identity. He no longer saw himself as someone who tries. He became someone who moves. In closing, do not underestimate the power of faithful movement. Every small action you take is a signal to your mind, your future, and even to heaven that you are ready for more. Momentum grows when obedience meets consistency, and before long, what once felt heavy begins to move with ease. Keep showing up, keep taking the next right step, and trust that as you move forward, strength, clarity, and opportunity will rise to meet you. Your willingness to act today is quietly shaping a productive and victorious year ahead. Productivity is not built on motivation. It is built on momentum. Ethan's story shows us that progress begins the moment you take action, no matter how small. When you stop waiting for the perfect feeling and start moving, energy follows obedience. As you step into the new year, remember this truth: small steps taken consistently create powerful results. Win early each day, track progress instead of perfection, and simplify your life so action becomes easier. Momentum will do what motivation never can. Start today. One step will lead to the next. And before you know it, your year will follow the direction of your movement. I hope you are inspired by the story and learn some valuable tips from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonates with you, please kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications bell for more inspiring stories. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings. Titus Agbater. Shalom! You will succeed.